What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. All right, I'm back, guys, with Newbies on Fire. But this time, I want to show you a process you must follow, okay? If you're going to send someone money via Cash App, if you're going to send someone money via money order, Walmart, anything dealing with the app or outside of the normal payment of just them clicking your link and paying with a debit card. There's a process you must follow, okay? You cannot just log in your back office, find their name, and click mark them as paid. That's not going to work. The person that's joining you, okay, they must follow this process. They must initiate a process so that you can be notified to check your back office to mark them as paid. And I'm going to show you what steps need to take place. But before we get started, do me a favor. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, that little red button down there, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in the back office. If you're new to my channel, you're not sure what I'm talking about, go ahead and click the link below and you'll see how the program works. But this is for people that are looking to join the program and they need to send their money in a different way if they're not going to use a debit card. All right, so let's go to the back office and let me show you what you need to do. Okay, you're going to log in your back office and you're going to click Buy Products. Because remember, you haven't joined yet, okay? You go here, you're going to pay your admin fee. And let's say, I'm going to give you an example. I've got a payment coming in where this person has joined me at the elite level and he's mailing me a money order. Okay, so he's paid the admin already. Okay, but he has to go in there and I'm going to show you what has to happen. He had to go in here and initiate a note. And once he does that, I get an email, okay, that gives me the information on how he sent the money. He sent a priority mail package, okay, for the elite level. That's the top level, okay? So what happens is you click Buy Products, okay? Now, I can't initiate the email with a note because I'm already in. I'm all in all levels, but I'm just telling you what you need to do, okay? So if you're going to be, let's say, example, you join in me and you say, hey, I'm going to mail you my payment or I'm going to send it Cash App, okay? You would go in here. Let's say you want to do the elite. Now, you'll see what I'm talking about. When I click here, it tells me I've already paid, okay? But for you, since you have not, you would click Buy Now and it's going to bring up a box. Okay, I'm going to show you what that box looks like. Hang on. Okay. Now, there's a video back here for this as well. So if you just go under courses, you will see this. But you see it'll be a box, okay? And you'll see it specifies how the person wants to receive their payment. But there's a box so that you can make a note here, okay? For example, you may say, hey, I'm Mike. I sent you a priority mail package. Here's my tracking number. And here's the tracking number. Okay, I joined the elite level and I sent a priority package and hit submit. Okay, that's what you would have to do. And once you do that, I'm going to receive an email notification. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, I covered up his information here, but I received an email from Newbies on Fire and it says a new member has indicated that payment has been sent. Please verify the transaction details before you approve the payment. They are sending $500 to you, and it lists the person's name, their phone number, okay, and email address, okay? Now, so that right there is an indication for me. So now I go to my back office and I say, let me see what they're talking about. So let me show you what it looks like. Okay. Again, I'm covering up this person's information for privacy purposes. Okay, so I go in my back office and I click My Team. Okay, there's a button that says My Team. As soon as I do that, this comes up at the top and it says one awaiting approval. Okay, and it has the person's name here. It says the amount And it's the details that the person typed in that box I just showed you. Hey, it's Mike, and I mailed the payment priority. Here's the tracking number. Okay, I covered up the whole thing, but this is just a portion of it. And right here is 2 buttons. One that says mark 500 as paid, and one says denied. Okay, so that's my notification that I have money coming to me. Okay, and in order for Mike to get access to his products, I have to go here and mark him as paid. Okay, but if he does not initiate, okay, if you don't have your person initiate this notification, you cannot just mark them as paid. Okay, so that's very important. Okay, so I thought I would share that with you guys. Okay, so you will know whenever someone is sending you a payment via Cash App or any way other than them just going in and paying with a credit card, because I'm getting paid through Stripe. That's how I have mine set up. If they didn't go and pay with that credit card, they're going outside the process. So they have to initiate this in their back office, and it will notify you that you have an approval payment coming, payment pending. Okay. All right, guys. So that's what I want to show you. It's really cool. Okay. So that's it. But you just need to know this process, because it's not just going to happen. All right. Now, for everybody else, let me just show you real quick. I'm not going to do a lot of talking about this, because I'm going to put the link below if you're interested in an instant pay program. This is perfect. Newbies on Fire is on fire. Okay. Okay. So it's instant pay. You're paid member to member. What I like about this program, it doubles your income potential. It's a reverse 2-up. So instead of passing up 1 sale, you're going to pass up 2 sales. Okay. You can receive $25, $100, $250, or $25, $100, $250, or $500 payments. There is no monthly fees with this. It's just one time. You can upgrade at any time. However, when you upgrade, you'll pay the full price of that next product level, because each product is sold separately. An example would be if you came in at the $25 level today and you decide you want to come at the $100 level, you're going to pay the $25 today plus that admin fee to be at the $25 level. And then when you decide you want to upgrade, you're going to pay the $100 plus that admin fee for that $100 level. And that's how it will go going forward on each level. Okay, but you double your income with this. Now, when I say double your income, and a lot of people aren't talking about it, but this is how it works, and I just recently discovered it as well. But with this one, it's a reverse 2-up, and you're passing up 2 sales on each level. Okay, on each level, yes, not just your second and fourth sale across the board. It's the second and fourth on each level. The second and fourth on the 25 level, the second and fourth on the 100 level, the second and fourth on the 250 level, and the second and fourth on the $500 level. That's a lot of money. That's like $1,750 per member. That's the potential that you can make with one person if they come in at that $500 level. Now, I've got a great bonus for people that join at the $500 level. We're looking at a sales funnel that I have, a high converting sales page that I'm going to pay for you to have. It's valued at $97. Your first solo ad, 100 pre-written ads, 100 places to advertise, free social media training guide, 20 places to post ads daily, and much more. But I'm giving people the option. I've come up with another alternative, because some people want the mobile leads. So I'm going to give you an option to get the leads. The leads come with emails. They're mobile leads with the email address, or you can have me do the solo ad for you. It's up to you. But a lot of people like the idea of just being able to text people and send them their link instead of getting a solo ad, because you'll actually be able to keep those leads. They're your leads for life. Okay. So, really cool program. And as you can see, I've got a payment coming. It's going to be a priority mail package like this. I got a whole bunch of these for my direct mail program. But guys, you can get these with your online business as well. Because remember, it's up to you. It's your business. How do you want to receive your payments? Okay? Because you're a business owner. Just like when you go to a store right now, when you walk in, they tell you how they want to get paid. They said most places now accept all credit cards, debit cards, cash. Okay. They tell you how they want to receive their money. The same here. You're a business owner. Okay. So one-time payment, invest in this one time. It's a internet marketing system. Okay. Platform. It's a training platform. It has tools, training, marketing resources, to teach you how to market online. So that's what you're buying into. And I think you're going to love it. Okay. You're going to get those pass-ups effortlessly from your teammates. Okay. So 80% of that work will be done for you. Once you start getting members in, those payments are going to start rolling up. Okay. But at any rate, wanted to show you guys that process that is very important, because you'll be wondering, well, hey, the guy said he paid $50, but I don't see how to mark him as paid. You can't mark him as paid because he has to go in and initiate that notification to you. Okay. All right, guys. With that being said, that's all I've got for you today. Okay. So make sure you just subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And this is the page that I'm speaking of. It's high converting. And if you join at that $500 level, you can see it shows proof payments from people. You know, this speaks volumes. This just validates the program when people can go to a page and they automatically see these proof payments. Okay. So look forward to working with you guys. Okay. It's 2020. It's time to get to work, guys. We're basically already 1 month in of the new year. Only got 11 more months to go. Okay. This year will be over with. So get started. Look forward to working with you. I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.